Friends, good afternoon. Again, we have come in front of you with a great hope, with a great desire, and with a great memory that you have already liked us. Many of our friends, they have liked us. But one thing we have seen, that we are not getting any questions in our dialog box. The channel which we have started out here, that is IHM Gwalior Live. That is a very good channel and very descriptive channel. Whatever you have got the queries regarding the preparation of the food, service of the food, and the arrangement of the food items, you can give your comments, you can give your queries out there, so that we can straightway come in front of you. I am Bankim Jordar, head of the department and the academic in charge of the Institute of Hotel Management Gwalior. Today we have handled the third semester food production cookery class, that is food production practical class of the BSc HHG group from the academic session 2025-26. Every day we see that the students are they should increase, but number is not increasing. There can be one reason, that they are under the influence of their senior friends. So friends, that is my dear students who are studying in class 11th and 12th, please make it a guarantee that students may be senior to you, but they are not your teachers, they are not your parents. We have seen the world for a long time, but the persons who are just senior to you, they have seen the world just 2-3 years more than you. They're also very young. But my question is, why not to listen to the instructions of the teachers, the instructions of the parents? If you listen to the instruction of the teachers, I am very sure that you will be able to gain whatever you thought in your life for the achievement. So always be concentrative in your studies. Please pay your attention in your studies. Today is 23rd of July 2025. Today we have prepared a menu from the state of Goa again. This is the menu, that is second menu from the state of Goa. The Goa state we have already discussed in our earlier blog, that where is Goa? Those who are watching this video from outside India, they must know, or they should know, how beautiful Goa is. Yes, you can see its beauty in YouTube, but we love the part of Goa because we have got the knowledge from Goan people how to prepare their dishes. In the dish today we have got one rice item that is called arrows. It's actually a non-veg pulao. It's a ham-based pulao, but we have not used ham. We have made it totally vegetarian, and we have given a very nice look, which is pink color, and you will really enjoy it if you have it, if you prepare it at home. After that we have got a chicken preparation that is called Galina Zakuti. It's made in the Goan gravy that is called Zakuti gravy, and this particular chicken preparation is little bit of dark in color, or little bit of blackish dark in color, and it has got the roasted spices flavor. Our supervisor will tell you slowly. Then we have got one more dish, which is a dal from Goa, that is dal sorak or tuar dal sorak. It's a Goan styled dal, and at the end we have got the alle balle, that is the stuffed sweet dosa sort of preparations. It's a pancake preparation which is based or incorporated with the coconut grated with the jaggery. So I will just ask the supervisor, Mr. Nitesh, do you enjoy this food production course?
Yes, very much.
Fine. So would you like to give your comments that how did you like today's class, just in 3 points?
Actually, I like today's class because I'm the supervisor of the day and I have to handle my team. And the third point is the preparation of food is very hygienically prepared here, and all the guidance from our faculties, that is very good in nature. And
very true. So friends, you have seen that our students are not learning only the food preparation methods. They are learning many things. Like today in the morning, in the session of the introduction, I have told them what is selling price, what is cost price, how to fix the cost price, how to maintain the fluctuation of the costing in the menu. A lot more things are there. In one sentence I will say, it's a sea. It's a sea of knowledge. If you want to learn, you have to study hotel management. Now supervisor, I request you to please go through all the menu items, just taste them, have their opinion, and pass your comments. So over to supervisor, please.
Good afternoon everyone. Hope you all are doing well. And so today we are preparing 2-course menu from the Goa. And as you all know, Goa is famous for coconut and its festivals like Sunburn Festival, and Goa Carnival, and the very amazing beaches also are there. So as you all know coconuts. So today we prepare two-course menu, veg and non-veg. We can use in coconut in our every dish. So have a look for our food. So we can start with the salad. As you can see, the roundels of the tomato and cucumber. You can see the designs of the cucumber. It is prepared by Narottam Rawat. He's my friend. So let's start second dish, that is arroz pulao. That is vegetarian dish completely. As I told you, this is all in every dish we can use coconut. As you see, as a garnishing we can use coconut in it. So I just want to request with Ram Kevat, please taste it and give review.
Rice is cooked well and salt is good.
Okay, so who did the plating? You. Okay, that's good.
Supervisor for stages. Originally in this ham is put it, but we are not having ham, so that's why it is vegetarian today.
That's good. This is all about the rice pulao. So our next dish is Galian Zuccotti. That is prepared by Navya. Again, I can say the same thing about coconut. So I just request to Navya, please once taste it.
Spoon, this.
Okay, you did it.
Yes. Chicken is cooked 100% well cooked, and this chicken is flavor. Jakuti masala is perfect.
What are the ingredients in Zakuti masala?
Only Indian spices like peppers, black pepper, longs, leaves, and
What leaves? You don't know about.
Yes.
And even know about the Zakuti masala. Please, cameraman, have a look at the Prashant.
Jakuti masala ingredient coriander और जीरा cumin seeds और star.
Okay, don't worry. I just tell you about the Zakuti masala. That is whole red pepper, Zira, dhania, black pepper, and the main thing is ajwain and khaskhas. This is the main part of our Zakuti masala. Long, dalchini, and star anise, nutmeg, and these all are grated coconut. We can toss in a dry pan. Okay, so now our next dish is tur dal sarok. I just want to request with Rahul Parmar, please taste it and share your reviews.
Yes, dal is best. It's 100% cooked. Salt is best.
Okay, thanks for the reviews. Then have a look on our dessert. That is Alle Balle. I would like to request Nana, please explain about our dessert and taste it.
Good afternoon, viewers. So as you know, today we prepare Goan menu, and in which I prepared and my friends prepared dessert, which is named as Alle Balle. It is a kind of stuffed pancakes, and it is a very famous dish, famous dessert in Goa, and it is used in like evening tea time. And the ingredients we use in for the pancakes, we use corn flour, rice flour, and refined flour, and some little milk, coconut milk, and we prepared in a pan and as a side of pancakes. And for the stuffing we use jaggery, plum jaggery, and jaggery and coconut, like dried coconut, and some parts of cherries. That's it.
So I just want to request with cameraman, please have a look on dish. Like you can see the filling is perfectly filled, and from the bottom it is perfectly pegged. I want to taste it once. Please Nana, share with your friends and give positive reviews. It is tasty. You can try at your home also. Once you can comment on our link. We can also share you the recipe. It is very amazing. Keep it in, Nana. Very good.
Friends, this was the episode of the day, that is 23rd of July 2025. The menu was not very long, but that was very much descriptive, and that was very much like concentric also. One can understand that these are the basic things, these are the required things which we need for the running of the organization, and I call it structural menu. That was the basic structure of the day. But apart from this, we have to serve to the students who are having the food in the dining hall. So for them, we have prepared the other dishes also, like boiled rice. Then we have prepared a sabzi, and we have also given some salad. We cannot say that this particular Goan dish will be sufficient for all the persons who are vegetarian also. So for them also we have to give them the value for money. That is why whenever you think for the non-vegetarian customers, you have to think for the vegetarian customers also. So friends, I am very much happy to know that you are all watching our videos. But yes, please keep giving your comments. Please raise your queries. If you want to know the recipe of anything, you can mention in our dialog box. We will definitely show you the recipe. While making the process also in the kitchen, we can also show you that. But yes, you have to give us a commitment that you will continue seeing our video, because you are the source of inspiration for all of us. So friends, thank you very much for watching this video. You can visit our website www.ihmgwalior.org. Thank you very much. Stay safe, stay healthy, stay blessed, stay nice, stay jolly, stay happy. Thank you. Good day.